Hey everyone, Jonathan here, and this is just a quick video to show you what it's like to get a Chanel product direct from the Chanel website. So this is the black envelope where they put your invoice. You can see that's how much I paid right there. Next, you can also pick the color of your ribbon on the website. We chose to get the purple one. And then here's the box. And then here's a sticker. It looks like melted wax with the Chanel logo stamped into it, but it's just a sticker, but still a nice touch. All the little things count for the experience. And you can see here's the eyeshadow product that I bought my wife. And then also there's a little bag that has some samples in it. And the bag itself has the Chanel word stamped into it as well. And here's the samples. Now, the reason why we decided to go direct from Chanel instead of going to a department store or a makeup store is because my wife was buying makeup products for so long from department stores, and sometimes they would be all dried up or they looked like they had been dropped and they were all messy on the inside. So we gave it a shot and we bought it direct from the manufacturer, and my wife is so happy with it. It looks brand new, like it was just made. So this is just a quick video to show you what it's like to unbox a Chanel product. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up, and thanks for watching.